What's up YouTube, welcome back to the ATB channel. We are back with the 7/7 event. So just as a recap, in the last episode we met some of the owners of the BMW 7 Series and we had conversations with them about their cars. We got to know them a little bit better and got to know their stories around their cars, which was awesome. On this episode we are giving away awards, and this is for a select few categories. The first one, the best overall car. The second category, the best high mileage car. The third category, the best customized car. And finally, the last category, which is the best classic 7 Series. The winners were determined by votes, and these votes were put in by the people that attended the event. So let's get right into it and let's start handing these awards to the owners of their BMW 7 Series. Let's get it.
Afternoon guys, manager ATB at the 7/7 show. We're going to do a prize draws. We've had a tally up of what everybody's thought. It's a public choice, not just our choice, of who's the winners of the categories we picked. First category is best car overall, and we're going to go and meet the owner of that and let him know he's won. He doesn't know yet. But here, let's get a wide introduction. Mr. Bavik, how are we doing? Good. We're handing out prizes.
Yes. What have we got?
We got a way to say. We're gonna just want to. It's a way to say.
Yes.
Amazing job with the car. Thank you for showing up today and representing 7/7. Thank you very much. But just a way for. It's like a public's choice on some categories we picked. Your car won best overall car. So that's a beautiful thing. So it's a great ode to all the work you've done to the car and your passion for BMW in general. And so yeah, we'd like to say Matt has got a prize together for us as well.
It's BMW Car Club membership.
BMW Car Club membership. So that's brilliant. And we've got a goodie bag with cleaning materials.
I want anything.
I want to wear
that well. So we'll put that in there as well. So got a goodie bag.
We just need your full name on there, and that's your. So, third car down. That's Pav. He won best overall car for his black E23 745 turbo left-hand drive. What a beautiful car. This is the beautiful thing about the 7/7 community. We're humble, we're here because we love the cars. He's got the car who's won the award for the best high mileage car, because not only is it high mileage, it's on its original engine, original gearbox, original brake pipelines,
and original aircon.
And there we go. Original aircon as well. Never been gassed, and that's remarkable. And an ode to BMW and how they build the cars, and Craig for looking after his car the way he has. So just a way to say thank you. We've got a membership for you for free.
BMW Car Club membership.
Really?
I've also got a good bag for you from ATB. Just a few cleaning cloths and polishing material. Yeah, that's for you. And it's just a way for us here at ATB and Matt just to say thank you for turning up. Thank you for doing a great job with your car. And thank you for representing 7 Series BMWs.
Thank you, everyone.
Brilliant.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Great job. Thank you. People's choice, everybody. People's choice. That's how it's going down today. Ricky, we've got some prizes to give away today. It's just a way of us saying thank you for people turning up. Thank you for the community and the love of BMW 7 Series. We had a few categories. It's a public vote, and so it's the people's choice for best customization. Ricky's E38 Mora. You can have a look at it later. I'll show you more pictures of it. But Ricky, just want to say congratulations, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
We've got a goodie bag in here that's been nominated. Some of the stuff been put in from ATV, and there's a really nice t-shirt in there as well. So that's for you, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Just want to say thank you very much. Ricky has got the fattest E38. So yeah, brilliant. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Buddy. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. That's Ricky. When you see the car, you'll understand what kind of work he's put into it. Great. I think we're nearly there. We've got one more category that we had accounted for today, which was best classic car of the day. And I know it's been a long old day today, and because of the rain, some of the classic cars didn't turn up, but this one deserves the win regardless. So let me just find Nigel. Nigel, thank you, buddy.
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm really enjoying the day.
So you know it's been a lovely day, and we've been doing a public vote of different categories of cars, and one of the categories was best classic car. And this is a people's choice, so it's not like I made it up. But the people have spoken, and they said your car by far was the best classic car of the day because it represented a true close to OEM spec of a BMW 7 Series, and so I think it's well deserved. We've got a little goodie bag for you from ATB, some cleaning materials, just a way of saying thank you from us here, everybody at the event. Thank you.
It's been a very enjoyable day. Thank you. Really good. Very much. Good. Thank you. Yeah, fantastic.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And thank you everyone for voting. Yeah.
Brilliant. Nigel,
That
that Gold E23, I gotta say, it's just gorgeous. It's such a beautiful car, and when you step inside his car, it's like you've gone back in time, right into the 80s, retro as you can imagine. Such a beautiful car to sit inside and enjoy. Anyway, prizes are all over, guys. Great news. I think we're going to do a little bit more of walk and talk. Let's go.
Right guys, that is the end of the awards. We just want to say a massive thank you to all the owners and the attendees who made this event unforgettable. Together, we made it happen. The largest UK BMW 7 Series event. And here's to bigger events in the future. So this is the last episode of this series. However, make sure you stay tuned because we are bringing more content on project cars and events in the future. And we are gearing up for the 2025 7 Series event for this year. So make sure you keep an eye on our socials. Make sure you keep an eye on our YouTube, and we will let you guys know when the next event is. Thank you for your passion and support, and we'll see you on the next one.